I have NOKIA 7.1 and let me show you how to insert here the Nano SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose here power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Then you need to find the slot. The slot is located right here at the left edge of the device. Let's simply open this slot by using some kind of the thumb tag or special eject tool. Here I have simple thumb tag. And here you can insert the Nano SIM and micro SD card. So let me insert here the Nano SIM with the characteristic edge right here. And in that slot you can also insert the second Nano SIM card right here. Or you can use this slot for your memory card. So in my case, let me use it for the memory card right here. And now you've got ready tray to insert. So let me push it right here to the end. And now you can simply switch on the device to check out if both cards are working properly. So let's just wait. Alright, as you can see, the home screen pops up, so it means that everything is alright. Let's find here and select settings. Here let's choose network and internet. As you can see, you can tap here SIM cards and the device is using one SIM card, so it's a good sign. Let's go back. Here let's find and select the storage, and as you can see, the phone is also using the portable storage, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.